Microscopic particles like electrons have a fascinating dual nature. They can behave both as particles and as waves.
As particles, electrons behave like localized objects. They carry momentum, follow paths, and can produce individual collision events.
But electrons can also behave like waves. They spread, diffract, and produce interference patterns just like ordinary waves.
The Davison-Germer experiment proved this wave nature. Electrons scattered from a nickel crystal and produced a clear diffraction pattern.
De Broglie connected these two behaviors. A moving particle has a wavelength equal to Planck's constant divided by its momentum.
So the same electron can appear particle-like in one experiment and wave-like in another. Its behavior depends on how we observe it.
Did you know that matter has a split personality? It can behave as both a particle and a wave. Watch how these particles create an interference pattern just like waves. This is de Broglie's equation. Follow to learn more.
Dual nature means matter is neither purely particle nor purely wave. Quantum objects can reveal both behaviors under different conditions.